Hey guys, it's Kawaii Twin. In today's video, I'm going to be following a makeup look by Venus from the YouTube channel Venus Angelic. I've always been a really big fan of Venus. I used to watch a lot of her videos back in like 2014, 2015. When I was about 13 or 14, which was back in 2013, 2014, that's when I was introduced to the Japanese culture, Japanese pop culture. That's when I kind of started getting into anime and of course Japanese fashion subcultures such as Lolita fashion. And I feel like Venus was really a pioneer or someone who just really promoted this fashion style, at least Lolita fashion, I think more to the Western world. Or for me, she kind of just introduced that fashion to me personally, and that's kind of when I was really able to learn about the fashion. I'd never really heard of that fashion before until watching her videos. But anywho, I've always wanted to follow a makeup look by Venus. So back in the day, I did not do any makeup. I was like in middle school, I was 14 years old, and I didn't wear makeup up until after high school. So I never really had much of the courage to try out one of the makeup looks that she showed in her videos. But now that I kind of have a little bit more experience with makeup, I definitely wanted to do a video like that. Recently I've done videos such as me following a Korean makeup look as well as me following a Japanese makeup look, as well as showing you guys my everyday makeup. And I decided why don't I combine those two and I follow a makeup look by some of my favorite YouTubers such as Venus, and particularly follow her everyday kawaii dolly look. That was her everyday look at the time, so I really wanted to give it a shot. And as you can see here, this is the finished look. But anywho, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Alrighty guys, so I just applied a thin layer of foundation and we're gonna get straight into the actual makeup look. So here I have my kawaii phone and I'm going to be looking at the actual video that I'm trying to follow here. As I told you guys earlier in this video, this is supposed to be Venus's everyday makeup look. At least at the time that was her everyday makeup look, so I really wanted to give it a shot, give it a try. I already watched the video and it's more of a very natural look, which I think is really cute, and I definitely want to give it a shot. So I'm just watching the video right now and here it says my everyday, let's see, dolly makeup. She looks super kawaii. Definitely gives me very kawaii dolly look, which is definitely something I want to try out. I feel like her makeup style is so cute, and I love how natural it is. Usually I go for a more bolder eye look. If you guys did see my video, I'm not sure if I'm going to post that video before or after this one, but I'm going to do a video where I show you guys my own personal everyday makeup look, and I do tend to go for a more stronger eyeliner. Anywho, here she has a bare face. She looks super kawaii. Honestly, she looks pretty with or without makeup. So here we can see her final look and it looks super kawaii. Definitely looks more natural, but it's still very cute. Let's see, so she's explaining. I'm going to skip a little bit and go straight to when she actually starts the makeup look. Here she's applying a really nice layer. I think it's sunscreen. And let's see what else she's going to do. I already applied sunscreen on my face, moisturizer, and I applied a thin layer of foundation. Here she's using kind of like a color corrector for her skin color. I don't have pale skin, so I don't think using a light pink color corrector would work for me. So she's just applying her translucent powder and just making sure that her skin is looking great, I guess, and prepping it for the eye makeup. So I'm definitely going to do this more towards the end, like I told you guys earlier. That's just my personal preference. So let's go ahead and see what else she does. I really want to focus on the eye look. So here she has a small eyeshadow palette. So let me grab mine. I'm using an eyeshadow palette by the brand ColourPop, and this is the Pressed Powder Palette. This is from the Hello Kitty and Friends collection that they had with that kind of collaboration with ColourPop. So I think this is so cute. My friend Sierra actually gave this to me for my birthday, so it's definitely a very special present for me. And I'm so happy that I'm going to be using this product in a video. So if you're watching this, Sierra, thank you so much. I really appreciate this gift. Anywho, so let's go ahead and open that up. But anywho, let's go ahead and see what color she's using. So let's open that up here. Okay, so she has different shades and she is going to be using, I think, 2 different colors. I'm not sure. So now she is grabbing a brush that she wants to use for her eyes. So I wanted to kind of point this out because I actually have the exact same container that she shows in the video where she grabs her her brush. So I kind of wanted to point that out. Here I have some of my makeup brushes, and I don't know, I just kind of want to get more into the vibe of the video, and I'm gonna grab my my brush from here. I'm thinking maybe the color Ice Skates could work. She has a bit of like a, I think she called it sort of like a caramel brown color. So I think I'm gonna go with Ice Skates. Okay, so it looks like she's using more of a chocolate brown color, so I'm going to be using the eyeshadow palette Too Faced Just Peachy Matte, and I'm going to be using the color Chocolate Dipped. So I'm rewatching that kind of part where she was applying the chocolate brown color. It seems like she's kind of bringing that color towards the bottom with the remaining product that she has. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to be using whatever product is already left in here, and I'm just going to kind of bring it down like this a little bit. So let's go back to the step where she was applying concealer, because it seems like in this step she kind of made her kind of lower eye, I guess the bottom of her eye. I never really know what to call this, but let's call it agiosai. She kind of makes that more pronounced. It seems that she already has and naturally has a little bit of that, and it looks very, very kawaii. So I want to see what she did here. So she is applying some concealer on that kind of like lower area, and I feel like kind of in a way kind of brightens that area, and it makes it more like the agiosai. It makes it a little bit more pronounced. I just want to make this area a little bit more prominent, so let's go ahead and use this eyeshadow color. So this is the ColourPop. This is called Stole the Show, and I totally thought this was an eyeshadow palette, but it's not. Apparently it's a highlighter, so that's awkward. So now I'm going to apply some translucent powder here. So I'm just going to be doing my eyebrows really quickly. So here I have my little product. This is the e.l.f. eyebrow brush, I guess. And so I'm just going to brush my eyebrows like this. So now that I've done my eyebrows and it looks like I actually have eyebrows now, let's continue the video. So we already did the eyeshadow. Let's see what else she's doing. So it seems like she's now applying some lip tint, and this is a kind of a cherry red lip tint. So I don't actually own a red lip tint, so I'm probably going to be using this color from the brand 16, the 16 brand. So I'm probably going to be kind of applying this product kind of like the inside of my lips. So now it appears she's going to be applying some eyeliner. So she's using a black liquid eyeliner, and I actually have one that's kind of quite similar to the one she has right now. So let me go ahead and grab that. So this is the one from the brand e.l.f. And let's see where she's applying it. So she's applying it so just sort of like on the end of her eye and very thinly as well. I'm just going to pause that for a little bit just so I can kind of see what I'm doing. So let me apply just a little bit of the product on this little brush like this. And I'm going to apply it, I guess she starts from like the middle part and then goes out. So and now she's applying some mascara. I believe she said she's going to only apply mascara, not on her entire eye, just kind of like on the, towards the ends, I think is what she said. I think this is going to create more of like a round, bigger eye. So let's go ahead and use mascara. I'm going to be using this Air Volume Mascara. I did watch the entire video before, and she does apply on some fake lashes. I do not have any fake lashes, so I'm just going to add quite a bit of layers of this product. So let's see what else she does. So it seems like her lips are very, very light. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just fix the lips really quickly and apply some pink kind of on the outer corners. And I'm going to add a layer of this gloss right here. This is by the Sailor Moon ColourPop collection. My friend Sierra also gave this to me. So let's go ahead and use that. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip Gloss. And it's kind of like a peachy tone color. So I'm going to apply a little bit of this color because it is kind of light. So I'm going to try to make my lips look a little bit lighter because her shade of red seems to be very light. I almost forgot. Let's go back to that part where she applies some blush. So she's using a very vibrant pink color. I think I'm going to be using this color. The shade is Pinch Me Pink by the brand Wet n Wild. So I'm going to be using that. And it seems like she's applying it kind of like on this area, but kind of higher up here. So let's use this brush. And then she's applying some fake lashes. I don't have any fake lashes, and as I told you guys earlier, that's why I decided to add more of a thicker layer, I guess, of mascara just to kind of mimic lashes. So now she's applying some contact lenses to make her eyes look a lot bigger. I don't actually own any contact lenses. Like, I know these are really popular in the kawaii community, or at least back in the day. I've always wanted to get contact lenses like these just to make my eyes look a lot bigger, but I think when I first wanted to get them, I was in middle school, and my mom was just kind of like scared for me to use them because I was still quite young, and I don't know if I would be able to even apply contact lenses, so I've always kind of been a little bit afraid to see like how that's going to feel on my eye, but I feel like that definitely made her eye look a lot bigger. So I curled my hair, I styled my bangs as well, and I wore this really kawaii blue Lolita dress that I had. This is actually my twin sister's dress. She let me borrow it for the video. I was really surprised to find out that I had something very similar as to what Venus wore in the video, so that's why I decided to wear this dress. But anywho, this is a finished look. I absolutely love the way it looks. I definitely do feel like it's a little bit more natural compared to what I normally do for my makeup, but I still think it's super cute. Now, as for the eyeshadow, I did change up the eyeshadow. I wasn't really happy with the color because I just felt like it really wasn't the color that she had in the video, and I was able to find another eyeshadow color that I owned that worked a lot better with the color that she had. I think it was like a chocolate caramel color she said she used. So if you guys do see a little bit of a change, that is what I changed. But anywho, this is the finished look. I definitely do feel like a very kawaii doll. But anywho, this video was so much fun. If you guys want me to do another video where I follow a makeup look by Venus Angelic, there are so many other kawaii looks that she shows that I was very tempted. It was hard for me to choose just the right one that I wanted to try out. But anywho, if you guys want to follow another video where I follow a Venus makeup look, then please let me know. I do want to make another video where I follow another one of my favorite YouTubers' makeup looks. I'm thinking maybe I'm going to follow Mikan's video and her makeup look, her kind of e-girl kawaii makeup look, because it just seems so kawaii, and it's definitely a little bit more as to what I normally do for my makeup. So I feel like that would be really interesting and a lot of fun. So please be looking forward to that video. If you guys have any video suggestions, or you guys want to do a makeup look by maybe another YouTuber that you guys like, another kawaii YouTuber, maybe you guys want me to try out a specific Japanese makeup look depending on the fashion subculture, or if you guys want to follow a Korean makeup look, a Japanese makeup look, Chinese makeup look, whatever it is, then please let me know. If you guys enjoyed these videos, then please let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear you guys' feedback. I definitely want to make content that you guys would enjoy, so if you guys aren't really into these types of videos and you guys want me to do other types of videos, then please let me know. It would really mean a lot to me. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to my channel to become part of the kawaii family, and if you can, please leave a comment. It honestly makes me so happy. You have no idea, and I always reply to comments, so don't feel worried that I will not reply to your comment or that I won't see it. So if you can, please, it'll honestly make my day. Don't forget to follow me at CuteSurvival on Instagram in order to get to know me a little bit better, as well as to get some kawaii fashion inspiration. I'm particularly interested in Nantate Seifuku fashion, which is a Japanese fashion subculture that focuses on wearing school uniforms as a fashion style, as an everyday fashion style. So if you guys have never heard of that style, or if you guys have, or you guys are just curious, then definitely follow my Instagram, check it out. I'm leaving a link to all my socials in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and check them out and follow me there. But anywho, with that, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!